What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and welcome to Life Like Lauren. So today we are in Puerto Rico, so join me as we have a lovely 4 days in San Juan. We started our adventure out poolside by having a couple of cocktails and enjoying the pool, the sights, and the sounds. We've been at the pool all day, now we're checking out the beach and the prices for jet skiing, just having some water. We're now this way, and then just like keep going. We are walking around Old San Juan and getting dinner. Good morning, it is day 2, my sunglasses are falling. I just walked to get coffee at the corner, black coffee because the lobby bar, coffee bar is closed. We're about to go to breakfast in like 30 minutes. It's already getting hot, so ready for the day to begin. And here's some other hotels, Residence Inn. And if you go past this colorful sign is where our hotel is. Hotel and Casino. Here's the entrance. So most of my trip was very relaxing. We spent our days at the pool as well as at the beach, just relaxing and catching up as a friend group. After our days poolside, we got dressed and headed out for a night on the town. We got a quick drink at the bar and then headed to Old San Juan. I would say the Uber prices are a lot cheaper than the taxi, but the taxi was a lot faster, so that's just something to know ahead of time. We're at dinner at El Salvador. I just got a mojito. They have these cute private rooms. Dinner at San Juan and we're having watermelon mojitos and shrimp tacos. I definitely recommend going to Santa Aya for dinner and then just walking across the street to La Placita where you can go bar hopping. The next day, we got up, had breakfast at the hotel. There's a lovely buffet spread, and then we went to Old San Juan again, where we did some shopping and just walking around the town to see the sights. And then after some shopping, looking at the street vendors, we went to Barcardi to do the mixology class, and that was a lot of fun, so I definitely recommend doing that.
magic work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Don't that look good? Now everyone, if there's...
After the cocktail making class, we came back to the hotel, we ate dinner in the lobby and just watched the dancers, and that's the end of our Puerto Rico trip. Make sure you subscribe down below at youtube.com/LifeLikeLauryn, and I'll see you in the next video.